Give everybody a few moments to chime in on here real quick. If I do get anybody on here. Gonna give this a few moments. I'm gonna share this to my Twitter here real quick. Okay, let's see. Let's get this off of here really quick. It's not what I was looking for. So right now we have a slight risk for severe weather, mainly across western Nebraska. Very far southwest, South Dakota is in that, and there's actually severe thunderstorm warnings currently for those areas. Very far northeast, Colorado. But we do have that slight risk. There is a 2% tornado threat that has been added to this forecast, and it's from Valentine, Nebraska, all the way southwest into northeast Colorado. Now, we have not seen any tornado warnings as of yet with this, but that may change as we head in later into this evening. The wind threat is a 15% and the 5% hail threat. Additionally, the hail was a 15% at first, but they dropped it to a 5. And we do have multiple days of slight risk for severe weather. We actually have 2 areas of concern for northern Minnesota and a good portion of Iowa for tomorrow. There is just to the southeast of Fargo, Des Moines, and just to the east of Omaha, where the slight risk is. As of right now, I'm not sure where I'll be chasing at. It's kind of up in the air until I'll know more tomorrow. But I might end up, if I was to chase, hypothetically, would be either in southern Minnesota or Iowa, depending on where that slight risk actually ends up being at further around. We do have 2 areas of tornado threat, both in that central northern Minnesota and in the good portion of Iowa is included in that. I do think some supercell storms will fire up, and this may be a late event into the evening and overnight into the morning hours as well, heading into your Sunday morning. We do have that wind threat, and we do have a hail threat as well that's basically in the same area. So that is for your Saturday. And we do have another slight risk for your Sunday, which shifts further to the south and east. It does include Illinois, parts of Missouri, and southeast Iowa. The big, huge marginal risk covers a good portion of Illinois, parts of Indiana, southern Wisconsin, almost all of Iowa except far northeast areas or northwest. Northern half of Missouri, northeast Kansas, and parts of Nebraska are all in that marginal risk. We don't have a tornado or hail or damaging wind threat, but the probabilistics are 15% with that. So we have those 3 days of slight risk, 2 areas for tomorrow, 1 area for Sunday, and we're going to go see if we still do that. Okay, we don't have that mesoscale discussion. There was one out earlier that was in effect that they were watching. And I'm actually going to go and see what we do have for warnings, because we do have those warnings for Mission, South Dakota. And we're actually going to take a look at that right now. So this warning is for Todd County in south central South Dakota until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So basically we got an hour for this warning to continue. Severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles west of Lakeview, or 16 miles southwest of Mission, moving east at 25 mile an hour. So it's really not moving very fast, but it kind of is, I guess. 25 mile an hour storm motion, 60 mile an hour wind gusts, and quarter size hail. So basically your essential components for a severe thunderstorm warning to be issued. The severe thunderstorm warning will be near Lakeview around 6:30 p.m. So it's actually in that area right now, since it is 6:36 right now. And if you're in that area, take shelter. It's just a regular severe thunderstorm warning. And we're going to go back to our next one, because we got one in western Nebraska, or a couple here in Nebraska, just south of Tryon. And we're going to take a look at that. That is severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cherry County and north central Nebraska until 7 p.m. So we got just a little under a half hour for that severe thunderstorm warning to go expire. So at 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extended from 8 miles northeast of Kilgore to 11 miles west of Valentine to 8 miles north of Merritt Reservoir, moving east at 55 miles per hour. So this storm is moving a little quicker than the other one that I just seen. So we're moving close to 60 mile an hour storm motion with that. 60 mile an hour wind gusts and nickel size hail. So the 60 mile an hour wind gust is what has prompted that severe thunderstorm warning. Valentine, Crookston, Highway 97 crossing the Niobrara River, Anderson Bridge State Wildlife Management Area, Sparks, Smith Falls State Park are all in effect of this severe thunderstorm warning. So those are those areas that we do have that warning. And I kind of want to look and see about this one down here in, I think it's Colorado. Let's take a look here and see if it'll show. Let's go back down here. North Platte. Okay, here we go. Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sedgwick County will expire at 5:45 p.m. Central or Mountain Daylight Time. So we still got a little bit of time on that warning to expire. The storm which prompted the warning has moved out of the area, therefore the warning will be allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible with the thunderstorm. So basically we still have the severe thunderstorm warning for a little bit longer, but not, let's see here, let's go to this one. That's for Mission. Let's take a look at the radar here. This is a different radar actually, and I might just end up using this one. So we do have some pretty hefty storms going on right now. I'm going to animate this. These are all moving to the northeast. This will affect Valentine, Nebraska here shortly, as you can see. Okay. So we're talking some pretty hefty storms here. It's going to be entering the Valentine, Nebraska area within the next 15, 20 minutes, maybe less than that. You can see it on the radar right now. This is the National Weather Service radar. And we're going to pan out a little bit because I want to see what we got for other storms here that have prompted these warrant. Okay, that's still Valentine. So we want to go down to Colorado here and see. Okay, well, the one for Colorado area is expired, so I'm not going to worry about that one. These are the main ones I'm worried about, just to the west of Valentine, Nebraska, which are just now coming into the area here very shortly. You're probably getting in some rain. The clouds probably look very dark, I assume. So that is currently what we are looking at right now. And let's see if I can, there we go. Location stations. So let's look at this here. And this is the super res base velocity. That kind of shows you what we have going on. And those, let's see if I can actually get some, this will be, let's see, crossing Highway 83. I think Highway 12 intercepts to that south. So these storms are packing pretty good punch based on radar, as you can see, but that's about it. But we do not have any tornado warnings issued, even though the 2% tornado threat is there. I don't really think we will have a tornado warning, but I'm not discounting it because of the atmosphere that has prompted the 2% tornado threat. But there's not really a whole lot going on in terms of tornado risk, just severe thunderstorm type stuff. So with that being said, I'm going to jump off here. I'm going to jump on my Twitter and do a live there. Hope everyone has a great evening and a great weekend. I will not be live tomorrow night, or Saturday, unless I'm chasing. If I'm chasing, I will be directly live on my YouTube page, or my YouTube channel. And I will possibly throw a couple videos out on Twitter as well. So please stay tuned. Be weather aware these next couple days. And I will have updates on those through Twitter tomorrow as well. So thank you for joining, and have a great night.